Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, I've shown you some pictures of the Wabash River in Terre Haute at Fairbanks Park. We were actually even live there last Friday for the Balloon Fest. Well, here's a picture down in Vincennes. Chuck Reinhardt sent this to me, and you can see how low the river is even down in the Vincennes area. So we need some rain. We have a little bit of that in the forecast. We're going to talk about that coming up. Also, a lot of people have been asking about the Starlink satellites. We got to see them go over the weekend. There's another possible viewing tonight if we get some breaks in the clouds, 8:35 to 8:39 Eastern time from the northwest sky to the northeast sky. It'll be almost about halfway up on the horizon, the elevation there at about 40 degrees. I think we'll have too much cloud cover, though, as we get into the day tomorrow. Speaking of cloud cover, way down here to the south, we got a system down here that we're looking at. Nowhere near any land, as you can see, but this is our developing tropical system. You can see a lot of convection with it. Its name is Philippe, and it is moving off to the west at about 15 miles per hour. Forecast to stay away from land. Here are the islands and Puerto Rico down here, but, you know, kind of taking more of a west to northwest track here as we get into late this week into the upcoming weekend. Again, a long ways away from any land. We'll keep an eye on it right now. Poses no threat to anybody other than shipping areas out there. 85 the high today. That's well above the average. 76 is the average. No rain. We've talked about the lack of rainfall. We've shown you the Erie River. Well, we're only at 0.63 inches so far for the month. Now, I do think we're going to get some rain between tomorrow afternoon and, say, Wednesday night, but I don't think we're going to hit that. So it's going to be another drier than normal month here, at least at the TV station, and also a warmer than normal month. Looks like we're going to end about a degree above normal on the temperature as well. River stage in Terre Haute, it's been there for a long time, 3.2 feet, not really moving up or down. Here's what we're looking at then. Tonight we're talking about some needed rain in the forecast, a nice end of the week. Great weekend. Wait to see this weekend, which is the end of September, the beginning of October, and then warm even into early next week as we start the month of October. We know that's eventually going to change, but for now, it's going to hold on. 83 at the airport in Terre Haute. Winds are north at about 6 miles per hour, so we got a nice evening going. If you are going to be out, here's the Crossroads Cyclecast for 7 o'clock Eastern. 80 degrees, some clouds and sunshine mixed with a southeast breeze. Looks like a good evening to be out. Temperatures are in the 80s out there right now, so it's nice and warm. Water vapor satellite right there. That's our feature that we'll be watching over the next 48 hours as it slowly dives down to the southeast. The closer it gets to us, the greater chance of seeing some showers and storms. Right now, we don't see much in this area at all off to the northwest of here. On the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, you get way over here near Champaign and points to the south just a little bit, not far from Mattoon. A couple little returns on radar, but that's it. So overnight, pretty good shape. Tomorrow morning, I think we're in pretty good shape. But by the time we get to the afternoon tomorrow, we may start to see some showers and thunderstorms developing, maybe as early afternoon, and from that point through tomorrow night into the day Wednesday, off and on chances of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. They should all kind of diminish as we get into Wednesday night, and then some drier weather will follow. Could be some okay rainfall, especially in some places. You'll see these numbers maybe half an inch or greater in places, so could be some okay amounts of rain for us. The threat of severe weather is very low, though. This is for tomorrow into tomorrow night, what we call a marginal risk, maybe a couple stronger storms, but it does not look like a major problem as far as a lot of severe weather. Forecast for tonight, then, partly cloudy skies will drop down to about 59 for the overnight low. During the day tomorrow, chance of some afternoon, evening type showers and storms developing. Still warm, high temperature climbing back to 82. After that, it looks like a few more showers as we take you into midweek. End of the week looks good, and check out the weekend, warm and sunny. High Saturday and Sunday in the 80s. That's your forecast. Sports coming up right after the break.